Now student, I am doing a program on if condition, just simple salary calculation of an employee based on gender. So my question is, you have to input salary and gender. Okay, then you have to find out 5 comma 10% bonus, 5 and 10% for male, that is 5%, for female 10% respectively. Okay, this is what my question. Let's go to the design part. Fine, already I have taken a button, the rest of the things I am just designing, you check. I am taking a label for what? For salary, for salary. So it means here I can write enter your salary. Fine, then I can take a text field for inputting the salary here. Okay, salary is done. Gender to be taken as a radio button. Okay, gender already we learn, radio button already we learn, sorry. So we have to take it as a what? Radio button. Then for female also let's take another one. Okay, so I'm writing here female. So two options, it means there are two options. Huh? So for the male I will give 5%, for female I will give 10%. Now students, what to be calculated? Bonus to be calculated and what to be calculated? Total to be calculated. Fine. So for bonus I am taking one label here to display the bonus. Okay, and one more label I am taking for displaying the total. Okay, so how I will know who is bonus, who is total? So I can specify here this as bonus and this as total. It means the bonus will display one place and total will display one place. So here obviously we are going to use if else statements. That is my motto to show you. Fine. So now let's double click on the button because everything will work according after pressing on the button. So let's double click on the button. Try to understand this question very nicely students, because this is a new kind of program for all of you as we are using here radio buttons. Okay, so now let's declare the variable. I took salary comma bonus comma total as integer. Fine, I have to take one more variable, that is gender. So let's try gen as string. This is a string variable students. String means string in the sense word or character. Fine. Now students, after you double click on the button, what will be collected at first from the form? From the form, what will be collected at first? At first the salary will be collected. So the salary will be collected and will get stored where? So salary equal to val of text1 dot text. Fine, the salary stored there. Now what will collect students? Now what will be collected from here? You have to take the input first, now then the processing can be done. Now gender can be collected, that is male and female. Okay, here I forget to take label. If I could take label so you can know this is gender, but you take care, you do that, I forget. So how the gender can be collected here? How the gender can be collected? Because if I click male, the gender will be male. If I click female, the gender will be female. So either or option can be selected, either or. So how it can be? When the either or options are coming, we have to use if statement. So how I am using, please see. If, so what is the control name? What is the control name? What it is written? Option 1. What it is written? Option 2. Clear all of you? Now come to the coding part. We have to write if option 1 dot, spelling mistake I think so. See, once I give dot, if it's not coming, it means you will be able to know you made the spelling mistake. Option 1 dot value. If the option 1 value is false, sorry, true. If the option 1 value is true, true means what students? If the option 1 is true, it means you select on male, because option 1 belongs to male. I am saying it again, please listen. If the option 1 dot value is true, it means you have selected on male button. You have selected on first radio button. So that time the salary, the bonus will be calculated how? Bone equal to salary multiplied by 5 divided by 100. Understood? Why 5%? Because male you told 5%. Clear? Otherwise, else, if the option 2, we are just trying, let's check first whether it is working or not. If option 2 dot value equal to true, if the option 2 is true, then what we have to do this bonus? Bonus we have to find out how many percent? 10%. So thereafter we can do end if here and we can do end if here. It means if it is not male, then obviously it will be female. So it will be calculated with 10%. Fine, the bonus is done. Now total is left. Total equal to salary plus bonus. Salary plus bonus. Clear all of you? We got the answer. Our process is done. Now the question, the answer will display here one and here one. This is bonus, this is total. So what is the label name? 2. What is the label name? 3. So 2 will hold what? 2 will hold what? Label 2, sorry, label 2 dot caption equal to bonus. Fine. And label 3 dot caption will hold total. Let's check first whether it is working or not. Running the program, providing the salary, suppose 5,600, choosing male, check 280 and 5,880 is the total. Choosing female, it is not working. Why? Now we didn't click here. So after clicking, see. Understood, students? Fine, na? It is working. So here we came to know how radio button can be used, and obviously if you are taking radio button example, you have to take the conditional structure, that is if else. Otherwise it won't work. Fine. And you saw the option button. Once I am selecting one means other is getting deselected. If I am selecting male, the female is getting deselected. Okay. Now let me explain you this programming part. Here I am selecting, if I am selecting the option 1 and the value become true. True is what? When you are clicking on the male or female, this is true, this is false. And when this become true, this become false. That is what we tried here. If the option 1 is true, 5% to be taken out. Otherwise, if the option 2 is true, then 10% to be taken out. Okay. And this is if here, the end if is given for this if, and this end if is given for this if. Thereafter total we find it out, and obviously we have to print the result, so we printed them. Okay, clear to all of you? Hope so. Any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask me, students.